Maybe the problem is our tube is not thick enough. You should be clearly seen. You should be very clear that you have a pattern when you get it.
Maybe we can be the bigger base. At this point we.
That looks pretty cool.
I mean,
We
yeah,
kind of
but
have to take whatever.
if you want to measure this as well, that's the thing. You don't measure all of this. Whoa, cool.
At this point we kind of have to take whatever.
Actually looks really nice.
Yeah, tap.
I'm gonna try 25.
It looks like it's not moving.
Yeah, it looks like it's not moving.
Yeah, because I set the frequency exactly the same as the camera.
Oh, that's trippy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, why is it not moving? Yeah, it just looks like it freezes.
But you need like a good amount of water. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, it's like when you reach like a lower. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, it looks sharp.
There you go. Nice.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
That's looking really cool. We only had a bigger tube.
It like freezes in the camera. Oh, man.
That's pretty cool. Wait.
Yeah, like right there.
But if you had a bigger tube, I think it will produce a much clearer effect.
It's cool though.
Oh yeah.
Because there's this all
I
water
can
inside.
rotate it so you can see it.
This is a frequency generator on it?
That's a function generator, yeah. That's a sine wave.
Yeah.
So at 23 we'll start moving back.
Hey, you
You
guys.
said 20, where the wave is supposed to be, but...
So when you reach 24, it does that still motion.
I can
That's
see where
cool.
Yeah. I can see where the wave is supposed to be, like... You don't?
You tried both the small speakers and large speakers?
How about we do that again? I think we already have this one.
Oh, we got that one? Okay.
Actually, no, that's not the one. It doesn't have it exposed. Yeah.
Okay, here.